Hello everyone, today we're going to make our own carnival necklace like the one that I'm wearing today. Let's get started. To make our carnival beads we're going to need some pasta. I'm going to use 9 pieces of pasta. We'll use some string. We'll need some tape to keep it still and some coloured paint. So we're going to use purple, yellow and green for the colours of Mardi Gras. On my necklace I'm going to make a pattern, so I'm going to paint 3 of my pasta pieces yellow or gold. So we have 1, 2, 3 yellow. Now I'm going to paint 1, 2, 3 green. Now I'm ready to paint 1, 2, 3 purple. Now that I've painted my pasta, I'm ready to thread my pasta onto the string, but first I need to let them dry. To thread your pasta onto the string, you'll need to tie a knot in the end. You may need to get a grown-up to help you. So I'm making a loop and then I'm wrapping the end around the loop, putting the loop through and then pulling it tight. Then I'm going to stick the end of the string to the table with a piece of tape so that my pasta doesn't fall off. Then I'm ready to make my pattern. So I'm going to start with yellow, and so I'll do yellow, then green, then purple, then so we have yellow, green, purple. So the next in our pattern is yellow. So yellow, green, purple, yellow. So the next will be green. So we have yellow, green, purple, yellow, green. So the next in line is purple. So we have yellow, green, purple, yellow, green, purple. So the next in line is yellow. So we have yellow, green, purple, yellow, green, purple, yellow. So the next colour in our pattern is green. And we only have one colour left, so that we know our pattern goes yellow, green, purple, yellow, green, purple, yellow, green, purple. Then we can tie a knot in the other end of our string to stop our beads coming off. And then we're ready. As long as your necklace is dry, you can wear your necklace.